Hi, in this video, we'll create a pricing model for hotel in the B2B login. We have already created a pricing model in the mid office. However, we also have to create pricing model in the B2B login so that the agent can apply his markup, the transaction fees and the discount for his bookings. So to create the pricing model, I'll have to go to company tab. In company, I'll click on pricing model. So here we have all the products enabled for this B2B. So as I said, we'll be creating a pricing model for hotel. I'll click on hotel product. So this is the existing pricing model we have created. So to look at the existing pricing details, I'll click on this edit icon. So here, this is how it looks like. We have to specify the model name, customer rating. Again, customer rating has to be mapped to the customer in order to get the pricing model activated. And next is the rule list. So in the rule list, we have to specify the rules like the rebate amount or the percentage, the transaction fees, and also if any specifications. So we have filter for hotel star rating. So if we want this particular pricing model to get applied, this particular pricing to get applied to a specific star rating, hotel star rating, we can do that. We can select a hotel star category and accordingly the pricing would get applied. So here, this was the existing pricing model for hotel. And if I have to create a new pricing model for hotel, I have the option, like in the hotel product, I have the option add new pricing model. When I click on add new pricing model, I'll have to name the model and also customer rating. I'll have to select the pricing type and the transaction type as personal, and I have to specify the validity dates and save. So once I save, here I can see the pricing model created. Again, I'll click on the edit icon of the new model I've created. And next to details, I have the option rule list. So when we click on the rule list, here it enables us to add the pricing rule. I'll have to select the template which enables this parameters. So here I can specify the rebate amount or the percentage. The transaction fees percentage I'll specify as 5% and I'll say submit. So these fields are mandatory. I'll click on submit. So once I submit, the rule is created. Here in the rule list, I can see the rule. And in order to activate the rule, I'll have to enable this and save. So the scores get updated and the rule is activated. So again in the pricing model, so here we see that the first pricing model is active whereas the second one is inactive. So the reason is unless we map this pricing model to the customer. So in the customer, so this is the B2B customer details where we have to map the pricing model. So here this is the new model that we have created. So if I select the new model and save, so now we'll see that the new model that I created will be active. So here we see that earlier this pricing model was active, but now new model that I just created is showing as active. So in order to activate the pricing model, we have to map it to the customer, and hence the pricing gets applied. So this was about the pricing model creation for hotel, and also we created the rule for the same. Thank you.